Hello everyone, this is your agent Janine Scott coming to you from 812 Lake Vista Drive in Forest, Virginia. I want to show you this beautiful house that I'm having an open house on today. A little windy out, but an absolutely gorgeous day. A little bit of the neighborhood. Lake Vista Drive. Welcome. As you come into the house, you can see the stairwell going upstairs, beautiful stairwell in the entrance. To your right is a formal living room. To the left is a formal dining room. We're going to walk through the dining room into the kitchen. Big open windows, beautiful cabinetry. Eat-in kitchen. To the left of the kitchen, garage door, garage. Office space. Storage closets. Going back through the kitchen into the family room. As you can see, there are patio doors leading to the outside to the fish pond and your backyard. Beautiful built-ins, gas logs in your family room. Another hall storage closet, powder room, formal living room. We're headed upstairs. Straight ahead is another powder room. Another bedroom. Come on in, help yourself. Another bedroom. More storage closets. Laundry room. Third bedroom with an attached bath. Double door closets. And we're going to enter the master suite. The master suite. Beautiful, open, airy. Master bathroom. You have the his and her closets, walk-in closets. Beautiful. Lots of light. Master bath. Beautiful. Another walk-in closet. The master. And there you have it. 434-826-9017. If you have any questions about 812 Lake Vista or any other properties on the market, my name is Janine Scott. Thanks for looking.